whether it be water, just like sunlight, water, flowers,
right.
Flowers, bees. There's I forget what this was, but there's these mathematicians, right? And they're trying to run these mathematical equations, but they always end up in infinity. Okay, I don't know what it is, but if you take an infinity sign, right, and you put them together, how would you put them together?
Two different ones. I'll probably put them on top of each other.
But if you put them perpendicular, it's a flower. So, like, what if the answer to a mathematic equation was like infinity is a flower? Infinity is what women provide, because they provide life. That's infinity, because that keeps going through women and men. Right. So
or is it the combination? Because
it's the combination, right? Yeah. But only through inside of a woman does that infinity become life. Right. You know what I mean? And what if that was the answer to this mathematical equation for whatever they were doing? But that's just me being, speculative and thinking different about what you can do with, just creative thinking. You know what I mean?
Speaking of which, like, I got something I want to throw in there with that. I got this thing. It's called 1 + 1 = 11.
11. That's my favorite number, bro.
But the thing is, though, look.
I love 11.
It's like, that's still 2, though, right? But it's like, you see 2, but I see 11.
Or is it the Roman numerals?
Yeah, exactly, the Roman numeral.
Yep.
That kind of thing. Whereas you look at it and it's, that's 2. But really, it's 11. You know what I mean? And I see that as like the man and woman coming together can easily make 11. You know what I mean? Can easily make 11. It's the vision, though.
Yeah.
Right? Mind sight. Keep that mind sight sharp and doors open.
That was good shit. I like that. I like that shit.
That infinity, that man and woman coming together.
Yeah.
That's hard. I like that. Yeah.
Because something, man, it's, in all honesty, like, only God knows everything. You know what I mean? Only God knows why we're here at the same place. Only God knows why everybody's doing what they do.
Right.
For
what reasons.
Their life and reasons, right? Yeah. And only God has built you from the ground up and knew what you would go through. Right. And only God would know that He would recognize your heart.
Right.
He would recognize you know what I mean? In this beautiful place. Because that's what I experienced, was something beautiful.